Dear students, good morning everybody. Yesterday you have read about national income. That is an important indicator of our economic development, in which we have discussed about per capita income. Per capita income means the country's national income is divided by the country's total population. The input is national per capita income. Today, we shall discuss about other indicators too. Only per capita income is not a sufficient indicator of development, because I have given you a chart in which you have seen that there were two countries, A and B, and in this you have seen that there is a lot of difference among the per capita income of the people of country regarding A and B. That is why there are other criterias also which are included in development in economics. So today we shall develop about other criteria, other indicators that play an important role in our economic development. You have seen that the development of country, the economic development of country does not mean the equal distribution of income of the people. That is why you can notice differences among different states of our country also. Here we shall take per capita income of 3 states of India. States per capita income. For 2015-16 in rupees. The states are Haryana, Kerala and Bihar, and their per capita income is 1,62,034. Haryana, Kerala 1,55,516. Bihar 34,168. Here, with this example, you can easily notice about the distribution of national income in different states of our country. Here you will notice that Haryana is at the top. Its per capita income is 1,62,034 rupees. Kerala is at second place. Its per capita income is 1,55,516, and at the bottom is Bihar, that gained 34,168 rupees only. So it indicates that Haryana is the most developed state according to per capita income. But when we take the other criteria, they indicate quite opposite regarding per capita income. So then we can take another example. Here is a chart that indicate states. Literacy rate, infant mortality rate, here I take two other indicators of development except per capita income. These indicators are literacy rate and infant mortality rate. Haryana, (82%). (36). Kerala, (94%). 12. Bihar, 62, 40. There are two indicators which are taken except per capita income when we measure the economic development of a country. So at first, literacy rate. Literacy rate means the education of the people, the education of the person. You know that the literacy rate in Haryana is 82%. And second is mortality rate. What is mortality rate? Mortality rate means per 1,000 children, how many children are died before completing 1 year of their age. It means out of 100, 36 children cannot celebrate their first birthday. So in this way, you can notice that in Haryana, the literacy rate is 82% and infant mortality rate is 36%. In previous chart, you have seen that the per capita income is higher than Kerala. Here we shall take the position of Kerala. In Kerala, the literacy rate is 94%. It is above than Haryana, and infant mortality rate is also lower than Haryana. The third state, that is Bihar, its literacy rate is 62%. It is at bottom, and infant mortality rate is also higher than these two states. So on the basis of these two indicators, which state is considered developed state? So without any hesitation, without any doubt, you can say that Kerala is most developed state among Haryana and Bihar. Although the per capita income of Kerala is lower than Haryana. That is why I have told you that only per capita income is not a sufficient indicator of development. This data has been gained in 2016-2017 by the Government of India. One important indicator can also be taken: net attendance ratio. At secondary level. 61, Haryana 61, Kerala 83, and Bihar 43. Net attendance ratio at schooling secondary level means how many students attend the school at secondary level. So at this indicator we find that in Haryana there are 61% students, in Kerala it is 83%, and in Bihar it is 43%. It indicates that more than 0.5% of students in Bihar are unable to receive education up to secondary level. So in this way, you have also noticed that among these three states, Kerala can be considered the most development state. Here you have seen that except per capita income, other criteria, other indicators also play an important role in economic development. Dear students, tomorrow we shall discuss about HDI. HDI. It is known as Human Development Index. We shall discuss about HDI tomorrow. Here I would like to give you some questions. Try to answer these questions. Question number 1. Explain per capita income. Question 2. Which state in India have highest infant mortality rate and why? What do you mean? By net attendance ratio. So you have to give the answer of these three questions. That's all. Thank you very much. Hey, Ma.